Very good morning to all, and I am Piti Chaudhary. I am assistant professor in IT department from AKG Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So, in my last lecture, I have discussed about BST, binary search tree. What is binary search tree, and how to insert, how to create BST, and now this lecture I will discuss about the tree traversing. Means pre-order, in-order, post-order. After that, I have complete here AVL tree. What is AVL tree? How many rotation in AVL tree and what is rotations and insertion in AVL tree. After that, the AVL tree algorithm. So let's start. So in this lecture, I will discuss in this topic. First one is tree traversing. In tree traversing, we will discuss in three parts. First one is in order, second one is pre-order, and third one is post-order. After that, I will discuss about the construction of binary tree and examples, introduction of AVL, rotations, and the insertion in AVL tree. Also the constructions, AVL insertion and also consensus discuss in this lecture. So first one is the tree traversing. What is the tree traversal? Traversal is a method in which we traverse or visit each node of a binary tree exactly once. Means at times this is the your tree. This tree is called. We can say that the binary tree also, right? According to this, each node of binary tree exactly once we traverse or visit is called a traversal. Second point is tree all nodes are connected. Second point. Here check tree all nodes are connected like this. Fourth one is tree start. So here we use these point. Next, tree start from root node. Basically by using traversing we can use search the item in order, count number of node and print the element. Now there are the three types of traversing. First one is pre-order, second one is in-order, and third one is post-order. So these different types of traversing we will discuss one by one. First one is pre-order. Means what is pre-order traversing? According to this pre-order traversing, here we use this algorithm, also called this is a recursive method. Recursive method is used here. First, we visit the root node. After that, we visit the left subtree. After, we visit the right subtree. Means, according to this diagram, according to these constructions of tree, this is a root node, and this is called a left subtree. As I discussed in my previous lecture, this one, and this is called a right subtree. So according to pre-order traversal, we use this method. First one we use n denote here node. Node means root node. After that use L means left subtree. After we use R means right subtree. So according to this pre-order traversing based on NLR means visit first root node, after traversing left subtree, and after traversing right subtree. So these three points use this algorithm in pre-order traversing. Got it? Now comes to pre-order traversing, how it is work. So according to last slide, as I discussed, key pre-order traversing based on NLR. N means root node, R means left subtree, or right means R means right subtree. So according to this, we take example same previous A, B, C, here it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, or last one is I. Got it? So this is a tree, binary tree. According, we make a pre-order traversing like pre-order. So first one is check a root. The root is here according to this A. Now traverse left subtree, means this part. Firstly complete this part, after that goes to right, comes to right part. So first one is root according to this L, root, then comes to this here left subtree. So here we check it is divided as another tree part. So according to this is also called a root, and this is left subtree for this node, and this is a right subtree for V node. So according to left, this is a root. So use B as a root. Now comes to left side. The left side is D. D is left, but according to this, this is also called a tree, binary tree. So this is a root, working as a root, and left, and this is called a right. So first one is we take a root node. This one is D. After comes to left. So comes to left. But here no child, no leaf child is here. So check left. Left is what? H. Now comes to right. Right, root, left, right. Got it? Then according to this left part of B is completed here. Now this is left. So root also visited here. Now complete all node of left subtree. Now comes to right subtree. The right is here according. This one is E. So now these all node traverse, means these all part is called the left subtree of A, and this part is called the right subtree of A. So according to this, all nodes B, D, E, H, I, all nodes traverse. Now comes to root at a starting cover, then all left subtree cover. Now comes to right. Here, right? Because right is last. So according to this, it is work as a binary tree. Okay. So according to this, it is root, it is left, and it is right. So according to pre-order traversing, first come root. Root is C. Then come left subtree. Left subtree is F. Now comes to right subtree, and right subtree is G. So according to this diagram, this is a pre-order traversal. Got it? Based on this principle, NLR. Node left, right. Now comes to second traversal, that is in order. According to in order traversal, we use again, it is work on left. In order means node, then right. So this work on L and R, means first complete all node left subtree, after that root node, then traversal all node of right subtree. So algorithm of this in order traversal, first one is traverse all left subtree, means L. First we use L. Second, visit root node, means N. And third one, traverse the right subtree, means all nodes we traverse right subtree. So these 3 points use as a algorithm of in order traversing. So it is also work as a recursive method. So according to this, we take a same example here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. So this is a simple binary tree. Got it? Now, according in order traversing, this in order traversing is based on left completed. After that we comes root node, then completed, right node. Okay, right node. So same apply on in order traversal on this binary tree. So first we use a left subtree. So first one, this is a root and this is part called a left subtree, and this is part called a right subtree, and this is called a N. So it is L, it is R, and this one is N. So according to this, when it comes left subtree, so it is work as a simple binary tree also. So according to this, it is called N part, root node, and it is right side left subtree, and it is called a right subtree. Now comes to this part. So that's why we can say that this traversing is also called a recursive method. So here again 5, again it is left and this one is right, and according to this, it one is root. So one by one, first complete all node of left subtree. After we use root node, that is A, or at last we use all node of right subtree. Got it? So according to this, we use left subtree. So this is a root, left subtree comes to left side, fine, and it is work as a root. So again left, or again left. So firstly we use H. Now left, then we use root. So according to this binary tree, left, root, right. So complete this one is D as a root node. Now comes to right side of this tree, that one is I. So L and R we use. Now comes to next tree, binary tree. So according to this is left completed, D, H, I visited. Now comes to root. So according to this, here root is B. Now comes to right side, then that is E. Got it? Now all nodes visited of this whole tree B, D, E, H, I now comes to main root, that is A. Now comes to right side, means according to this R. So again this part is called a binary tree, and according binary tree, this is a root, this is left side and this is right side. So according to principle, we use left is F, N, और फिर लास्ट में दिस. तो F is left, N means C और G means R. So we use here F, C and G. So this is a in order traversal. So got it? This is a in order traversal. Now comes to third types, that is post order traversal. So according to post order traversal, it is mainly based on left, right and node. Got it? Left, right and node. According to this recursive method, it is these three types is based on recursive method. It is work on these 3 points is cover this algorithm. So according to first point is this, कि firstly complete left part, left all tree, all nodes, left subtree. After we use right all nodes in right side subtree, at last we visit a root node. So left completed, then right part is completed, after use a root node in each case of binary tree. Okay, now same here we take a same example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. ठीक है? Now same it will work on first complete L, then complete R part, or at last we use node. So according to this binary tree we use post order traversal. So post order traversal we completed all node of left side, then completed all node of right side, or at the last we use a root node. So this is a left as I told you before, and this is a right part. Got it? So according to this, again it is binary tree. Make or same, it is a left part and this one is a right part. Again comes to next part. It is again this is a tree. It is left part, it is right part, and it is a node. So according to complete all left means this one. Okay? So first according to this complete H, then complete right I, sorry this one is I, or then use node D. So according to this is left part is completed. Now comes to right E, then use node B. So here we see all node V, D, E, H, I, all node visited of left subtree. Now comes to right. Here right it is node as a work left or right. So according to principle we use F first, then right, G second, and at last we use a node C. So all nodes covered here of left subtree, all nodes covered of right subtree, at last we use a node means A. So this is called a post order traversal. So this is the types, 3 types we have discussed in this lecture. Ki what is traversing? After that we have completed pre-order, in-order and post-order. So these are the simple. So now you have some idea about the what is the traversing and types of traversing, and based on different types of principle. Now this is here another case is occur. According to this, you have given pre-order and in-order और make a binary tree. ठीक है? So कैसे बनाएंगे? तो आपको ये given होगा pre-order. So here given pre-order and this one is in-order. So check here. So there the 2 condition is given for pre-order and post-order making a from binary trees. So but in order is given in both case. Means here 2 condition. First one is post order also given and in order. Okay, and according to this condition here pre-order and in order is given or make a pre-order binary tree. So according to this we use a in order and pre-order both case. Firstly we check a in order ताकि इजिली आइडेंटिफाई कर ले कि वे इनमें से कौन सा नोड आपका एज ए रूट नोड वर्क कर रहा है. गॉट इट? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट चेक अ नोड प्री ऑर्डर. तो फर्स्ट टर्न इज ए. नाउ चेक प्री ऑर्डर वेयर द ए पोजिशन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ए इज हेयर. इट मीन्स ए इज योर रूट नोड according to pre, because here A is first after comes to which node is comes to left side and which node is comes to right side. So according to this, these node D, B, F and E, these node will come to left side after G, C, L, J, H and K, and these remaining node will comes to right side of A. Now check again pre-order. Second turn is B. Second turn is B. So where is B? B is here. So B here is working as a node. So here we use simple B. Now check in order ki where B. So according to this, B is here and left side is D, means D will come here left side, and here comes F and E. Got it? After that we check second. This one is D. D comes and check D is a last. So we use as a last left subtree. Now now check E part. Okay, now turn is E and check here कि कौन सा यहाँ पे हमारा नोड बनेगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस E is your node and check कि what is the main position of F, means it will come left or it will come right. So check here E is where according to this pre-order E, and now check left side. F will come left side of E. Got it? So this part is completed. Now comes to right side. Now check again pre-order turns. So according these O node is completed here. Now comes to C. So now C is used as a simple node. This one is used as a simple node. And now check remaining other node will come left or right. So according to this is a C and G is a left side and remaining all is will come right side. So it is a G part and this is here L, J, H and K. Now come check next number is G. So G is the right. Sorry. Now comes to G completed. Okay, this one is done. Now comes to H here. Now check H is where? Here it is, means L and J comes to left side and K will comes to right side. So this is work as a node and here L and J will come to left side and K is will come to right side. Now comes to next point. This one is what? L. Next one is L. Means L is working as a simple node. And now check J position is where. Now according to this, in order J and L, according to this, J have completed reorder. Sorry. Okay. Now according to pre-order, J working as a node or check J and here check the L is will come to left or right. So according to this comes to left side, means here is L and same. So all here according to this, these all nodes are covered. So here two condition is given, pre-order and in order or make a binary tree. ठीक है, तो construction binary tree given two case, pre-order, in order, and second case is given post order or in order. But according to post order, we check all elements from right to left direction, because according to post order, we use left, right and node. Means node comes to right direction. So we will check करेंगे इधर से. Now here are some limitation of in BST. So BST have some limitation. Means when you want to you have some number of elements or you create a BST, then this number, so according to this it is called a BST, but according to this height it increase in all steps. So this is called a left subtube and this is called a right subtube. So according left or right subtube, there is the some limitation is occur. First one is the time complexity to searching a element in a BST, that is order of H. So AVL here comes to overcome this BST problem, and we use the next is AVL. The AVL is use the remove the limitation in BST, that is left subtube, means remove the time complexity order of H. So here firstly I tell you what is AVL. AVL tree is invented by 3 scientist person, that is the G.M. Adelson, second is Velsky and third one is E.M. Landis in 1962. So and this AVL called is a as a these 3 scientists name, so AVL. And next it is also called a height balance, because in BST limitation is time complexity order of H. So it removed this problem, so it is called a height balance BST, in which each gate is associated with the balance factor. Means in AVL we find the balance factor. Balance factor formula is height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. Means if your balance factor is 0, 1 and minus 1, means there is no change. But if you if there is a balance factor is 2 and minus 2, then we use the rotation. So in AVL tree we use a different types of rotation, means 4 types of rotation we use in AVL tree. So according to this, so this part is, so according to balance factor we use height of left subtree and minus height of right subtree. So this part 1, 0 and minus 1 is there is a balance factor is okay, means there is no change. But if your value is of balance factor is greater than 2 or less than is minus 2, then we use the that time your tree is unbalanced and need to balance of that tree. This is the introduction, and in my next lecture I will discuss about the all types of rotation, means LL, LR, RR or RL. All types of rotation, and also discuss in my next lecture I will about insertion in AVL, creation of AVL and different types of algorithm in AVL. So in this class I have done about the tree traversing in order, pre-order and post-order, and limitation in BST, and brief introduction of AVL. So thank you so much.